UKGC, are you all there? Are you all there?
Yes.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
children.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
How are you? Good morning.
Okay, shall we start the session with a prayer? Join your hands, everybody. Close your eyes. Join your hands, close your eyes. Let's start the class with a prayer. Our dear Father in heaven, we thank thee for this wonderful morning. We surrender each one of us into thy hands. Dear Father, bless us, guide us, guard us, give us thy spirit, give us thy knowledge, give us thy wisdom, so that we may serve thee. Dear Father, bless our parents, teachers, and all our friends and their families. Bless the hands who make food for us. Bless the people who are suffering from coronavirus and all the people who are in the mission of treating them. We ask all these things humbly in thy precious name. Amen. So, children, today Nancy ma'am has come with a story. Okay, you want to listen to a story? Okay, shall I start this class with the story? Okay, listen. Once there was a girl called Hannah. What's her name? Hannah. Okay, I think we also have a Hannah in our class. So Hannah was a very cheerful girl. She loves to watch birds every day. Okay, she loved to bird watch. Okay, she has a lot of big trees in her house, around her house, in her garden, and this beautiful garden has mango trees, jackfruit trees, and big trees, okay, which have all ripe fruits in it. So usually these birds come around in seasons, and they come and make nest. They eat all ripe fruits, and they love to be around. They sing songs, they make nest, they play around, they run around, and they go. Okay, they hop around and everything. So this girl Hannah, every day she loves to watch these beautiful birds. So one day, in her bedroom, by the side of her bedroom, she has a very big window. Okay, she loves to sleep near a window. So she had a beautiful window near her window. So one day, as she was sleeping and she woke up from her bed, she saw a beautiful little bird, colorful bird, sitting by the side of her window. Okay, it was sitting there. And this Hannah was too excited. She loved to go and touch it. She loved to touch the feathers. She wanted to touch its beak. She wanted to give some biscuits to the bird. She wants to feel how the birds, and she wanted to call her a name, and she wanted to make make the bird her friend. So she immediately shouted out in excitement, "Hey, little bird!" What did she say? "Hey, little bird!" And she was running towards the window. She just jumped out of her bed and she was running towards the window. By the time, poor bird, it got frightened. It got scared. It thought somebody is going to come and hurt me. Immediately, the bird turned its back. Okay, it shook its tail and it started flying out. It started flying out of the window. Now, poor Hannah, she felt so bad, she started crying. Okay, she started crying. My little bird had gone. My little bird had gone. Okay, so now ma'am is going to sing that song for you. I would like to sing a song with this small story. Can I sing it for you? Would you like to listen? Okay, listen. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. So I cried, a little bird, will you stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But she shook her little tail and away she flew, flew. Away she flew, flew. Okay, let me sing one more time for you. Listen to the song. Listen if the story is coming correctly. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. So I cried, a little bird, will you stop, stop? I was going to the window. I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But she shook her little tail and away she flew, flew. Away she flew, flew. Away she flew, flew. Okay, the little bird started flying around, so she started crying. Okay, so that's a small song. I will send the song to you so that you can learn the words slowly. When we sing the song, we will learn the words. Okay, ma'am will send the song to you. Okay, now today Nancy ma'am want to give you an activity with peacock. Okay, so now we are not doing any paint activity in the class. I will tell you how to do it. I'll send a link of it so that you can do it after the class. Okay, everybody listen how we will do it. Okay, now okay, listen. This is the activity book. You remember the activity book which we were drawing, sticking pictures and all that? You remember we were doing so many things in this activity book, drawing fruits and flowers. That book you have to take, and in one page, see, I have made a nice, beautiful, what is it? What is this, Inaya? What is this, everybody? Peacock. Okay, this is fingerprint with peacock. I will tell you what you do. So parents, please listen to me. After this class, you may take 3 plates. Okay, I think you all had got the poster colors when you took the books from school. Okay, so you take a bit of blue and put it in a plate. Another small plate, put yellow color. Another small plate, put green color also. Okay, don't add too much water. Let it be quite thicker only. And now, my children, you will use you all have 5 fingers. Show me your 5 fingers. Yes. In that, you will take your thumb finger. Which is your thumb? Show me the thumb. We shake. Yes, thumb. You take the thumb, dip it in the blue color paint first. Okay, put it here. Okay, all the blue color, you will make it like an arch. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like this. You keep it till it comes and touches here. Again, you dip blue and make, each time you dip and you make the thumb print here. Okay, and you will make 4 rows of it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you dip it. And once you finish that, wash your hands, take green color and start dipping again. Okay, you put green color on top of the blue. The same print, you keep your fingers. Then wash it again, take yellow color and again keep yellow on top of the green. Okay, once you finish this, okay, once you finish keeping all these prints, now wash your hands again, take dip your thumb again in the blue color, put your thumb impression here, okay, down. And then you all have your little finger, small little finger. Show me your little finger. Yes, this little finger, you dip it again in blue, keep one dot here. That will make the head of the peacock. Okay, Hrishikesh? Then let it dry. After it dries, you take a black color pen and then start drawing the head of the 3 small standing lines and make a round there. So it will become the head crown of the peacock. Then you may draw 2 legs and beak. I will send this picture in WhatsApp. Okay, you can keep it beautiful. I will send this picture so you will understand. I'll also send the link how to do it. Okay, so that's how you make a beautiful peacock. Okay, so if you really behave well and your mummies tell me that, ma'am, all my children are doing well, they are very good children, they are studying everything, they are behaving well, ma'am will come up with more activity on paints. Okay, but if you're not behaving well, mummies are telling these children are not studying, ma'am, they're not writing anything, ma'am, they're always fighting with us. Okay, then what I will do, I will not give you any activities. Okay, so today if you all behave well, parents, please make them do this activity of peacock. Okay, that is thumbprint. Okay, now everybody take your textbook, page number 47. Please take your textbook, page number 47. Today I would like to tell you 2 more facts on birds. Okay, 2 more facts on birds. Okay, what is a fact? Number 1, you have all learned about so many birds. Now children, I'm going to tell you about a biggest bird. Okay, we have a biggest bird and also a smallest bird. Now first let me tell you all about the biggest bird. We have a biggest bird. You know what is the name of the biggest bird? It is called ostrich. Okay, ostrich is known as the biggest bird and it also lays a biggest egg. Okay, other birds' eggs are really small, but this ostrich egg is really, really big. And one more thing, now ostrich go up to the height of 9 feet. What's the height? More that is more taller than us. Okay, it's more taller. It's 9 feet tall. And ostriches have very strong legs. Rishikesh, ostrich has very, you're talking? Rishikesh, are you listening? Ostrich has very strong legs. Okay, and they can run faster. They can run really faster. Okay, Bill, they run really faster. Dean, understood? Yes, ostriches can run really fast. Karthik, ostrich cannot fly. Okay, they cannot fly. Why they cannot fly? Because their body weight is too heavy. Okay, they are too heavy. They cannot lift their body and fly. So instead, God has blessed them with beautiful legs so that they can run very fast. Okay, ostriches have feathers, okay, on their body, but they cannot fly. They have wings, but they cannot fly. Okay, they cannot use it for flight. Now, let's come to the smallest bird. Would you like to know about the smallest bird, Abel? Don't talk. Abhi, you know which is smallest bird? It's called the hummingbird. Okay, it's really small, very small bird. And what's the small speciality about the hummingbird? The hummingbird can flap its wing 200 times. That means very fast. Okay, I think within a minute or so, it can flap its wing really fast. And it also can fly backwards. It can fly backwards. Have you seen any other birds flying backwards? Or you have seen all the birds going front, right? But this hummingbird can also go backwards. Like this, it can go back. It can also come front. Okay, this is how it is the hummingbird. So few questions Nancy ma'am is going to ask you. I want you all to give me the answers. Okay, I will ask each one. What is the question? Hannah, the first one. Which is the, Hannah Maria, please give me the answer. Unmute and give the answer. Which is the biggest bird in the world? Hannah, biggest bird.
Ostrich and giraffe.
Hey, I'm speaking about birds, not about animal. Hannah, giraffe is an animal. I'm speaking about bird. Understood? So ostrich is the biggest.
Ostrich.
Yes.
Ostrich.
Okay, very good.
Biggest
Now,
bird.
bird. Okay, now
Ostrich is the very
mute.
biggest
Okay, thank you. Chelsea, which is the smallest bird? Chelsea, which is the smallest bird? Just now, ma'am said. Do you listen? Okay. Inaya, give me the answer. Which is the smallest bird? Smallest bird, just now, ma'am said. Hummingbird, yes. Okay. Chelsea, listen. Hummingbird is the smallest bird. Okay. Abhimanyu, which is the king of birds? Abhimanyu Nair, which is the king of birds? Unmute and give the answer. Unmute. I'm not hearing. Speak.
Eagle.
Excellent. Now, Karthik, tell me which is the talking bird. Karthik, where are you? Unmute and give the answer. Parrot. Okay. Joanna Maria, which is the dancing bird? Joanna Maria, which is the dancing bird and national bird of India? Unmute and give answer. Unmute and give answer. Joanna Maria. Karthik, keep it muted. Joanna Maria, give the answer. Don't make it a delay, parents. We are losing time. Emmanuel Shindo, give me the answer. Which is the national bird of India?
Peacock.
Peacock. Somebody gave me the answer. Yes, peacock. Banu Lakshna, which are the two birds which give us meat and egg?
Hen and duck.
Eldana. Hen.
Hen and duck.
Excellent. Seraphin, give me the answer. Madhav, very good. Madhav Krishna. Hen and duck. Okay. Rayan Sandeep, what is it? Hen and duck.
Hen and duck.
Okay. Which is a night flying bird? Tell me which is a night flying bird which I can see in the night. Owl. Okay, thank you. Keep it muted. Keep it muted. Thank you. Now turn the page. Everybody take a pencil in hand. The next page, page number 48. Okay, page number 48, sharing my screen.
National code.
Eda. Okay, can you see page number 48? Number 1, fill in the blanks. Take your pencil. Nancy ma'am will give you the answers. You please copy it down to your textbook. The first question. Our national bird is dash. Which is a national bird, children? It's the
National bird is
parrot.
peacock.
Who said parrot?
No,
Peacock.
ma'am, peacock.
Okay, let's write peacock right there. P E A. Parents, keep your mics muted. Akshit, Emmanuel, keep your mic muted. Joseph. Peacock. Okay, what's the spelling? Please write with me. Peacock. Our national bird is peacock. Finished? In your text, please write the answers. Number 2, a bird that can speak. A bird that can speak is what? Parrot. 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 What is a bird? Parrot. Parrot. Seraphin, say and write. Deva Vinod Kumar, say and write. Abel, say and write. Joanna, Karthik Krishna. Okay, number 3. Color of crow is dash. What is the color of crow? It's black. B-L-A-C-K. B-L-A-C-K, black. Color of crow is black. Write fast. B-L-A-C-K, black. Next one. A bird which can see only at night is. What is a night flying bird called? It's called the owl. O-W-L, owl. What is it? O-W-L, owl. Number 5. Birds which give us egg and meat are called dash. Birds which give us egg and meat, what are they called? What are the birds? Hen and duck. Let's write H-E-N, hen. Abel, are you not writing? And in the next dash, please write D-U-C-K, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Done?
Yes, I will finish.
Okay, excellent. Now take your 4-line EVS notebook. Parents, please help them with the 4-line notebook which they have. Okay, children, now here we are going to, ma'am is going to teach you a question answer. Okay, the question is name some birds. Okay, and we are going to write all the birds' name. Okay, that's the question answer form for the EVS bird lesson. Okay, one question only we have, and you should be able to write at least 5 birds. Any 5 birds you should be able to write. But now we are learning all the birds' name. Okay, take the question. Write the date first. What's the date? 28/11, 28th November. Please write the date, 28/11. Let me see who is going to keep the speed with me. Your race starts now. Manu, write the date, Manu. Poor mother is begging you, right? Manu's mummy, you made the triangular doshas. I'm coming to your house for that triangular doshas. Right, everybody. 28/11. Finished? Now, please write the first question. Number 1. Children, you see a margin there? Yes, now write N-A-M-E, name. Abhi kutta ezhuda. Write fast. Now I'll become superwoman. My hand is getting speed. Your hands won't get speed. Write fast. Rishikesh, I am superwoman. You're not becoming. Keeping the race with me. Write fast. Sharang. Ready? Name. Some. S-O-M-E. Some. Hanna, finished? Seraphin, Deva, Eldana, Rayan, Madhav. Madhav Kutta, right? Name some birds. B-I-R.
Miss
Yes. Who is that? Give me the name.
Abhimanyu.
Yes, Abhimanyu, speak.
Which bird? Which birds?
I will give you the names. Now write the question. Name some birds. B-I-R-D-S. Name some birds. Finished, everybody? Name some birds. Now write the answers. Number 1. Let's start. Hen. H-E-N. Hen. Let me see who is writing it fast. Number 2. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Number 3. Number 3. Doe. D-O-V-E. Doe. Number 4. O-W-L. Owl. Parents, if your children are writing really slow, you may copy it in another paper, and after my class, you can make them write. But others who can keep the speed with me, let them try writing. It's a kind of practice. If your child is not able to write at the speed with me, you do one thing, you keep writing it for them, and after my class, you rub it and make sure that they write it. I want it in their handwriting, okay? This is like eye-hand coordination with the finger movement. I'm writing it quite fast for them to follow with me, catch with me. I'm doing it purposefully. Finished? Now let's write eagle. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. Deva, write eagle. I saw your sister writing. You're not writing. And you said you're finishing, huh? I'm coming, wait. Eagle. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Finished? Then you write number 6, crow. C-R-O-W, crow. C-R-O-W, crow. Finished? Number 7.
Finish.
Let's write parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. The next one, 8th one. Let's write peacock. 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 Finished, everybody? Yes?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So, parents, now you may turn the page. I need your help now. Next page, let's write missing letters. You write the questions with me, and answers, let them write after studying the spellings. Okay? So, everybody copy missing letters. I want the parents to write this in the book. MISSING. Missing letters. Now, children, you will look and observe what ma'am is writing. Okay? Missing letters. Okay, the first one. Parents, please do write. P dash R dash T. Don't write the answers. Let them write after this. Write the questions, every parents, kindly, I request you to write the questions. Next one, let's write peacock. P dash A C dash C K. Sharang, don't put your pencil in the mouth. Next one, O dash L. It's a bad habit to put the pencil in the mouth. Don't never put pencils. Number 4. H dash N. Number 5. E dash G L dash. Number 6. C dash O W. D dash C dash. Number 8. D O dash E. So children, after the class, you will learn the spellings and try writing this. Okay? Got it? I'm stopping my share. Now, everybody take the textbook in your hand. Page number 47, please. Let's read it now. Parents, give the textbook to your children. Put your fingers, everybody. The time is 11:01. We still have time. 10 more minutes. Read, everybody. Put your finger and read. Parrot. 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 Keep your mics muted and you will repeat after me. Okay. Put your finger and read. PARROT. Parrot. The next one. PEACOCK. Peacock. Can we read one more time? PEACOCK. Peacock. Third one. CROW. 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 Children, I'm not going with phonics because you need to know the spellings. So for that, you need to learn the letters like this. Okay? You have to say the letters and read. Only then you will get the spellings. CROW. Crow. Say that. CROW. Crow. Next one. Dove. 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 Next one, DUCK, duck. DUCK, duck. Abhi, you're not reading. Read. All your friends are reading. All your friends are opening the mouth and reading. Why not you? Dean Farin, put your finger and read.
Miss.
I'm coming to your house. Next one, OWL, owl.
Finish.
No, put your finger and read. Keep your mic muted. Read. O-W-L, owl. Yes, next one. Eagle. E-A-G-L-E. Sharang. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. Next one. Hen. H-E-N. Hen. H-E-N. Hen. Okay, turn the page. Now, we are going to read the fill in the blanks. Okay, put your finger. Parents, I want you to hold your child's hand and the pointer finger and move it as we read and let them repeat. You also read, you keep your mic muted and read it with them. Okay, our national bird. Put your finger, everybody. Read. Our national bird is dash. Our national bird is dash. What is a national bird? Peacock. Our national bird is peacock. Second question. A bird that can speak is dash. A bird that can speak is dash. What is a bird? Parrot. Parrot. Next one. Color of crow is dash. Color of crow is dash. What is the color of crow? Black. Who said orange? Somebody said orange? No, it's black. Okay, next one. A bird which can see only at night is dash. A bird which can see only at night is dash. What is it? Owl. Next one. Number 5. Birds which give us eggs and meat are dash and dash. Hen and duck. Birds which give us eggs and meat are hen and duck. Karthik Krishna, are you reading? I don't see Karthik, Dean, Seraphin. Is that your hand? I'm not seeing your face. Okay. These children are not reading. Madhav Krishna, what's happening there?
Rafi is reading.
Reading? Okay, I saw your hand, so I thought he's hiding it. Okay, sorry. Others, read. Joanna Maria, open your mouth and read. Okay, so parents, please give them the reading practice every day. I want you to put their fingers and slowly you stop reading. Maybe for 2 days, you need to help them how to read. After that, you stop reading and ask them to read because they are so watchful. Read only one time and close it and go, because don't keep continuous reading. That will irritate them. Okay, they won't read it that way. Only one time and finish it off, because they get bored. They won't sit like us for reading. So one time you read, but see to that time they are keen enough to look into the book, and after that you finish it. Okay, now everybody take your workbook. Page number 37. It's 11:5, 11:7. Please take page number 37. We have 3 more minutes to end the class. So parents, this I will guide you how to do. Children, everybody look into this page, page number 37. Okay, you have matched the following here. Okay, one side you have birds and other side you have few names of birds. Okay, the first one, do you see under A? Karthik, why are you crying? Number A, it's peacock. Let's read P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Okay, Joseph? P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Now look, where is peacock? Everybody touch peacock. There are so many birds there. Touch which is peacock, which is the national bird. Inaya, Dia, show me which is peacock. Oh, Reza, Asher, Madhav Krishna, show me where is peacock. Touch it. Now you will match the word to the picture. Okay, peacock, you will match it. So parents, I don't want to do it now, because why? You know, when I write, it's like copying. Now I don't want them to copy. I want them to read the letters and find what bird is that. By this time, they should get an idea what bird is that. So O-W-L is what, children? Owl. Okay, good. I see Diya Deepak giving the answer. Excellent, Diya. I was reading your lips. So owl, you will match it to the picture. So children, you will do this task of completing the page. Okay, read the words and then match it. Understood? Now next page, you have page number 38. Okay, I want you to write 4 times of this writing in the textbook. Okay, got it? So this is what you're going to do. And parents, for your notice, we will be doing only the birds name. They need to know thoroughly the 5 birds names only. And here we have wings, feathers, and bird. That is only for them to write it down for a writing practice. We are not by hearting those spellings. Okay, you can only teach them these bird spellings. Okay, so this is the homework. I will be sending you in WhatsApp what are the works to be done. And tomorrow, I would request you to give from the textbook, open the fill in the blanks. Okay, keep it open and ask your children to copy it, the sentence from the textbook to the 4-line. Tomorrow only give that. Today you have enough to do. So tomorrow make them copy the fill in the blank sentences to the notebook. And as they write, let them say and write. Okay, that is for eye-hand coordination. I want them to see somewhere and copy it into the notebook. So that is a practice. I want them to write and then write it in the notebook. Okay, so children, again on Monday, Nancy ma'am is coming with the test. Ma'am is coming, not Sahia ma'am. Sahia ma'am is on leave. So Nancy ma'am will be taking classes for you on Monday. So I want you to be prepared for the EVS test. Okay, on flowers. The topic is on flowers. Okay, so learn 5 flower names, be thorough, and let's have a test. Okay, now I'm ending the session. See you all in the next session. Bye-bye.